step replace me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Don't you step replace me?
Baby, yeah, baby, yeah, yeah. My, oh my. She's back, baby, she's back. We're on the road again. Oh, I love it. I miss this so much. Finally, today the weather is okay, but good enough. It has been raining yesterday, so the salt is off the road. It's 16 degrees outside. I couldn't resist taking this baby for a small drive. I know I have to do some checkups after a winter, but yeah. I just needed this one. I just needed 1 hour of driving. I love it. I miss it so much every time. Although there are a lot of things I'm doing right now, but this never gets old. Yeah, I need fuel, I need oil, I don't care. But she kinda, it was like, whoop, she worked. So we finally got her running okay, I think. Yeah. so good to be back in the Ferrari again. Just for a sec, because the weather is going to be bad soon, very soon. But in the middle of the winter, we suddenly had a day where I could just drive. How sick is that? And yes, I said last video, I haven't got much time for vlogging or playing around with this little baby. But I'm sure gonna make sure that I at least do some things in this summer, because I enjoy this so much and it helps me clear my mind and find motivation to do all the things I want to do. I love this baby. I really love it. But she is a little rough, I realized. So I think I have to put some oil in it because she's not getting hot. And normally when she's not getting hot, it means she's a little bit low on oil. Same as fuel, a little bit low, but I can't really, because it doesn't really work that well, but that's okay. Water temperature is good. We need to check the coolant because she has been leaking a lot this winter. But hey, I'm the smart guy. I just drive it and then think about, oh wait, maybe I have to check first. Who cares? I love it. Well, back home. Just gonna let her cool down for a second. Then I'm gonna go to the store, yes, to get myself some oil, because see, we was really starving a little bit within the margin, or so. I'm not gonna wreck the car, of course, but it was like, I could have done a little bit before I started to drive, but who cares? Great, fantastic. So we are back, I'm back. Not as much videos as in the past, maybe once a month, or I don't know, who cares, but just give us a like, a subscribe, and maybe I can do more. I don't know, who cares. Thank you for watching, bye.